Hello friends, welcome to PMT2 channel. So dear friend, in this video, we will discuss about Jadotam packing, composition and some information about ceftazidime, sulbactam and Jadotam mode of action. So let's have a look on pack of Jadotam. So dear friend, Jadotam is available in two pack or two strength. That is Jadotam 1.5 gram and Jadotam 750 mg. Now composition. So dear friend, Jadotam 1.5 gram pack contain two vial first and vial second. So Jadotam 1.5 gram first vial contain ceftazidime 1 gram and sulbactam 0.5 gram and second vial contain solvent 10 ml. Now composition of Jadotam 750 mg. So dear friend, 750 mg pack first vial contain ceftazidime 500 mg plus sulbactam 250 mg and second vial of this pack contain solvent in 5 ml. So this is about composition of Jadotam. Now ceftazidime. Ceftazidime mode of action. So dear friend, again ceftazidime is a beta-lactam antibiotic. Mean antibiotic which is having beta-lactam ring in its structure and belong to the cephalosporin group. Beta-lactam group has four group: penicillin, cephalosporin, monobactam and carbapenem. So here ceftazidime belong to the cephalosporin group. Third generation. It also belong to the third generation cephalosporin and inhibit cell wall synthesis. So in this picture, we will study about that how ceftazidime works. So here in this picture, you can see that ceftazidime inhibit bacterial cell wall synthesis, and by breaking the cell wall of the bacteria, kill the bacteria. So this is the mode of action of ceftazidime. Now sulbactam. So dear friend, again sulbactam is an inhibitor of beta-lactamase enzyme. Beta-lactamase enzyme which is produced by bacteria. Why? To create the resistance. So here sulbactam combat resistance which is produced by the bacteria with the help of beta-lactamase enzyme. Now this is the mechanism how beta-lactamase enzyme help bacteria to produce resistance. So this is picture 1 which indicate routine mode of action of antibiotic. Okay, how this antibiotic attack on that bacteria and kill it. This image 2 present how bacteria produce beta-lactamase enzyme and this beta-lactamase enzyme how destroy this antibiotic, and after destroying this antibiotic which is destroyed by beta-lactamase enzyme, now it is ineffective against this bacteria. In first image this antibiotic was effective against this bacteria, but now in a second image this beta-lactamase enzyme destroy the antibiotic, and now the same antibiotic is not effective against the bacteria. So here bacteria with the help of the beta lactamase enzyme which is secreted by this bacteria help to produce bacterial resistance. Now ESBL, extended spectrum beta lactamase. So dear friend, in previous slide you study about BL. BL means beta lactamase. So here when BL enzyme, beta lactamase enzyme extend its spectrum. Now it is become ESBL. Earlier it was BL, beta lactamase, but after extended its spectrum, now it is become ESBL. Now sulbactam, mode of action. So dear friend, in this slide we will discuss about how sulbactam is work. So again I would like to repeat how beta lactamase enzyme destroy antibiotic, and by destroying the antibiotic how bacteria produce resistance. So here the sulbactam inhibit beta lactamase enzyme, and by inhibiting this beta lactamase enzyme, sulbactam provide safety to the ceftazidime. Now the ceftazidime in intact form, not in destroy form like in this image. So now this intact ceftazidime attack on the bacteria and kill it. So here the sulbactam mode of action, sulbactam inhibit beta lactamase enzyme which is produced by bacteria. Now Jadotam mode of action. So dear friend, in Jadotam, ceftazidime is an antibiotic, and being it is an antibiotic, inhibit cell wall synthesis, and by inhibiting cell wall synthesis kill the bacteria. And sulbactam in a Jadotam, it's a beta lactamase enzyme inhibitor, means it will inhibit beta lactamase enzyme which is produced by the bacteria, and by preventing this beta lactamase enzyme prevent resistance. So dear friend, this is all about Jadotam packing, composition, about brief of ceftazidime, sulbactam and mode of action of Jadotam. Thank you very much for watching this video.